How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of blackheads for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how to get rid of blackheads. The reason you got blackheads is because your pores are blocked. So what we need to do is we need to unblock the pores. How do we do that? We need to open up the pores by doing what's called a sugar scrub. It's a natural way of exfoliating. It's the cheapest way possible and it works really well. All you do is you get 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, mix it in a glass. It's gonna make a sugary, watery paste. You're gonna take that paste, you're gonna scrub it wherever the blackheads are for 60 seconds. Then you're gonna wash your face off with water. You're gonna do this once in the morning, once before going to bed. That is it. Within 2 to 3 days, the blackheads will all be gone and they'll stay gone as long as you continue to do this in the morning and at night. It works, it does. I used to have a ton of blackheads all around my nose, on my forehead, my chin, and now I have none. You can literally see I have none. So that is what I recommend to do. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching.